I will be sharing today on why am I selling Mapletree North Asia Commercial Trust with stock code RW0U. As always, this is not investment advice. I will be selling my MNACT shares at about $1.09 region and will deploy the funds to other stocks. The 5 parameters of MNACT, based on the latest business update in Jan 2022, is shown below. With negative rental reversion for their main holdings expected, the parameters will be less attractive. I will be talking more about this point next. Festive Walk and Gateway Plaza contributes to 68% to net property income and accounts for 70% of asset under management. Both of them are important assets and are affected by negative rental reversion. Let's look at the degree of negative rental reversion of Festive Walk first. As at first quarter of FY21, 15 retail leases have an average rental reversion of negative 34%. As at third quarter of FY21, 49 retail leases have an average rental reversion of negative 32%. This means that for the past 9 months, MNACT is getting their leases renewed at a lower rent. This slide shows the lease expiry profile by percentage of monthly gross income. On the top, it shows the lease expiry profile as at 30th June 2021. On the bottom, it shows the lease expiry profile as at 31st December 2021. Festive Walk lease expiry profile till FY 2023 is boxed out in orange. Some calculations are done and you can take some time to look at the calculations if interested. We can conclude that 9% of gross rental income of Festive Walk is renewed at an average of negative 32% rental reversion for the period of 30th June to 31st December 2021. This will affect DPU in the long run. Next, we will look at the degree of negative rental reversion for Gateway Plaza. As at first quarter of FY21, 6 leases have an average rental reversion of negative 27%. As at third quarter of FY21, 18 leases have an average rental reversion of negative 25%. Similar calculations are done to understand the lease expiry profile by percentage of monthly gross rental income for Gateway Plaza. You can take some time to look at the calculations if interested. We can conclude that 9.2% of monthly gross rental income of Gateway Plaza is renewed at an average of negative 25% rental reversion. This will affect DPU in the long run. Do hit the like and subscribe button if you like the content. It helps to give me motivation on knowing that I'm creating useful content. Next is the technical analysis of MNACT. As shown by the green arrow, the share price is on the uptrend since March 2020. The share price failed to break out of the black resistance line, as shown by the bearish engulfing pattern circled in orange. There is a possibility that the share price will be trending downwards before it hits the diagonal green support zone. MNACT is the best performing REIT in my watch list since 2021. I will have a good profit if I sell it at $1.09 and buy other REITs which got sold down, such as Mapletree Logistics Trust and CapitaLand China Trust. The 3 reasons on why am I selling MNACT is summarized below. You can take some time to read through to recap. This is a list of reference I have used to create this video. Thanks to these links and your kind attention. Do subscribe and check out my other videos. Have a great day ahead.